A few days ago, I had that idea of a 1 week game challenge. Of course, I'm not the first one, but I thought just make it. So, yeah. In the beginning, I had no idea what I will make, but in the end, that's the end result. As you could see, it's made with Unity. At the moment, that's the only game editor I have on my laptop. And here you can see the main menu. You can click on options. There you can see 3 different game modes. And in this game you have a player, and the player is changing color every 1 second, and blocks are falling from the sky, and you have to shoot the blocks in the right color. And if you click on the image, you have the tutorial of this game mode. And if you shoot a bullet, you will lose 1 bullet. At the beginning you have 5, but if you hit a block in the right color, then you will get 2 bullets, so you will win 1 bullet. But you can turn it off, so you only get 1 bullet back, so you have to shoot, so -1, and then you get 1 back, so you lose no bullet, but you get no bullet. So you have only 5 times shooting not in the right places. Here, as you can see, the second and the third mode you have to unlock, as well as the player speed slider with points. And here is an explanation of how the points works. And because I'm German, I have made a translation for Germans. Then you can just play the game. Sorry that it's cut at the bottom, but my Mac has an aspect ratio of 10:16 or 16:10, and you just have to play. And for every right hit, so with red, a red block, with yellow, a yellow, blue, a blue, and so on. With every right hit, you get 1 score point. And on the top left, you can see my bullets. And if you press return, you can go back to the menu. And here, with every 1 score point, you get 1 point. And if you reach milestones like, I don't know, maybe I think I made 100 scored points in 1 run, then you will get 10 extra points. And so you can just unlock the different modes. And now if you press quit, you can of course quit the application. So now I will show a bit of the code. That's the Unity project. I will resize it. Wait. So now you can see everything. Here's the game view. I've made everything in the main menu scene with UI, so the user interface. And I have the main menu with play, options and quit, and then options English und options Deutsch, and then we can go to the game. Here is almost no UI, only the score. If you pick speedrun, there's a time limit. You have 100 seconds, and that's here in the middle, and on the left you have your bullets left. Here's the UI, and main camera, the manager. The manager is the game object who transports all the data from the main menu to the game scene. And player and the spawner. The spawner is the object spawner. So here, that's an empty game object with a script, and it spawns randomly blocks. Here's the void, and you get game over if you hit it. And here's your player. The scripts, I have the manager script, and here you can see the manager script, and it's just a few variables I have to transport from the main menu to the game, like the game mode or the points or the player speed if you unlock it. So then I have the objects. That's the normal object. That's this colored objects that fall from the top down, and you have to hit them. And here is the dead object, and it's just this black block. And it's only if you have the Death Stone mode enabled. It's almost the same as the object with a few extra features. So then I have the object spawner. That's the script who spawned the objects randomly in this field, and that's one of the easiest. Then I have, of course, a player. That's a complex. It's on the top. There are the variables, and that's the only thing. Wait. That's the only thing I use to move it, and the other things are just the color changing. The color changing is here, this part, and that's if the player falls down, and here is the bullet count and score count, and here's the game over thing. And the projectile is the easiest script of all. It's just a private vector free. I called it up, and it's just a new vector free with one up. And so it's just going up. Yeah, that's all what it does. And I added audio to everything. So of course, in the main menu I have an music in the background, and the music is of course royalty free, copyright free, so it's no problem on YouTube. It's actually from the YouTube sound library. And in the game you have of course when the player shoots a bullet, it has a sound, and if the game is over, I'll just show you the sounds. I don't know if you can hear them, so here, that's the shooting sound. Maybe a bit louder. And that's the game over sound. Sorry if that was loud now, so yeah. And that was pretty much the game. And maybe I will give a download link in the description. Maybe I will load it on itch.io. And yeah, that's the video, and hope I see you next time. Bye.